Let's get it. Yo, what's up, Nizam? How are you, dude? Good to see you. 777 Mohammed, how are you, bro? Let's get it. Let's have a good day. Let's have another good day. Another good day. What a time to be alive, baby. What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Let's step on the gas every single day until we can't step anymore. Simple. Simple plan. Oh, you can't walk, you can't speak, you can't think? Okay, fine. That means you're dead. You can stop now. You can stop now. If you can't breathe, you can't think, you can't see, you can't walk, you can't eat, if you can't do any of those things, okay, we can stop now. But until then, I'm stepping on the gas, B. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna slow down for you. I get people asking me that all the time. Slow down, Moon Dog. Take a day off. Do you stop gaming, dude? Because I love games. It's the best game in the world. I'm a gamer, dude. You know that. You know that already. Later, Gator. Let's go ahead and get Claude up here. Where's she at? Start.sh, .env, front end, back end. I got the agents here. Okay, good. I got the models coming in. Yes, nice. We got the data. I'm a data dog. Config, got the agents. Okay, the API. Okay, we got a clean thing going on here. Let's go ahead and get Claude up in this one too. I got a question for you, Claude. Matter of fact, in order to start Claude, I click that little Claude button in the top right of my Visual Studio Code or whatever. And then it just pretty much runs the command Claude. Could I change that to just run the command C instead? The letter C? How would I do that? How would I do that? Because that would be sicker. SRC, thank you, bro. All right, let's get it. What'd she say? Okay, based on the documentation, the default command is Claude. However, you can easily create a shell alias with C instead. Here's how. Create a shell alias. Add this to your shell configuration. Alias C equals Claude. For bash. Okay. Nah, but the thing is, I already have C connected to an alias that is called Claude run dangerously skip no permissions or something like that. So my question is, when I click that button in the top right of Claude, it runs Claude for me and opens the terminal. But I want it to run C instead of Claude. Is that possible? Or am I just tripping? Is that possible? Because I'd be sick. I know. I already got it good. I already got it good with the C thing, but we'll see. Haha. We'll see. All right, let's see what she said here. Okay, let's get it. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, what's up? Okay. She's got everything. Perfect moon dev. Everything is done and ready to push to GitHub. Okay, completed tasks. All fixed. Model factory plus dependencies. Copied entire models folder. 11 model files. Okay, model factory, open router, Claude. Yes, all of them. Thank you. Copied config.py. Configuration needed by agents. Updated requirements.txt. Added Grok Google generative AI files for proper Python packages. Wait a minute. Did she ever answer that one question I had? Oh, I asked her. I've got three at the same time. Okay, I've got three agents. Sorry. Logo plus fave icon. Good. Get repository. Project stats. Okay. What works now? Everything works now. I hope at least. Web search agent fully functional. Front end beautiful and complete. Ready to push to GitHub. Let's go ahead and push it then. Not yet. What's in the commit? Initial commit. Okay, MoonDev dashboard 2026. I always start my year earlier than you, dude, because I want you to start it earlier too. It's November now. You're live ready, MoonDev. Everything is functional, beautiful, documented, secure, committed, tested. Create repo on GitHub, Git push. Share this with the world. No way. Okay, I'm keep them separate. Here's why. Dashboard versus AI model. Different needs. Dashboard dev.moondev.com. No GPU needed. Should run 24/7. Light compute. Okay. Cherry Ubuntu 5 to 20 a month. AI model needs GPU, can spin up and down as needed. Heavy compute. Lambda Labs. Recommendation separate is the best. Okay, we'll keep it separate then. Always running AI models. Okay, Lambda Labs. Only when you need it. Don't waste your $2 an hour GPU compute on serving a simple dash. Lambda for AI. Cheap VPS for dash. Home server if you have this space. Okay, so what was that one that everybody's talking about right now? Hetzner. Hetzner VPS. Oh, but I tried to sign up with these guys and it was cheaper, but they were like shaking me down for a bunch of information and I churned. So there's some feedback for them. Like they watched this. Like they're one of the 10 people here. Some feedback for them. Much love to you guys. Thank you for coming through. All right, let's get it, dude. Let's close this then. Let's go ahead and read what she had to say because this is important too. Based on the documentation, the default, okay. Based on the documentation, there isn't a clear setting exposed for this. However, you can check your VS Code settings directly. Check VS Code settings. When VS Code settings, Command plus, okay. Mac plus, okay. Search for Claude in the search bar. Okay, let's do that. If there's a setting for a command, okay. So how do you open the settings? He's got to use AI for everything, dude. He's so dependent on AI now. How do you open the settings, dude? Cursor settings. Oh my god. What a day, what a day. Let's go to the cursor settings. Command Shift P on Mac. Command. Thank God she told me she knew. So I'm going to say cursor. No, I'm going to say Claude. Run with Claude. Escape. Claude. Run Claude code. All right, this is, I don't know if this is a useful thing for me to do right now, but we'll see. I'm saving myself future 10 seconds. Claude. Do you see any leads of how I can fix this or do this from here? All right, let's go ahead and run the dash because that's the whole point of this. Okay, it looks like we're down bad. Down bad with dash number one. Yeah, Yes, I would like you to be able to read both of those. I can't believe that you have to ask that. That's the whole point. That's the reason I need to move on. That's the one reason I need to move on right there. I need the C to pop up. I need that C, dude. I need that C. Yes, please. Oh my god, dude. Claude Code is awful when you don't have dangerously ran. I'm embarrassed. I'm using it like this. Yes, please, please, please. Let's get it. Come on, dog. If you don't use dangerous mode, you're not actually using Claude Code. I'm telling you that much right now.